Crossing coming down for the Williamstown. No, Werribee train actually. Ah, I'm on the wrong side. The grill shuts off on this side. My mum's on the best side. Yeah. My mum's got the best shots. She's on the side with the boom gate, with the bell ringing. No, I'm not. No, there's two more trains to come. I'm going on the other side from the next one. This crossing's already done. This crossing's already set for removal. They've actually got the removal boards up already. I think this crossing's ready to go. This one, I'm not sure when though, but something removed. I'm not sure when. Now this is aircraft station, level crossing of original bells, refurbished gate neck, original gate lights, refurbished lights. I think they've already started the plan to get rid of this crossing. So while I'm filming it, I'm not sure how long this is going to stay here for, but Victorian Railroad, I don't like hybrid bells. I don't think it'd be a good chance to come up here. The gates don't close when the train when it's the other way around. Here it is.